Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Here in this video, we are going to take a look at one more new method to grow bougainvillea from cuttings, and by following this method, we can grow lots of plants easily. We often prune our bougainvillea plants on regular basis. So what to do with those prune branches? Have you ever thought about growing new plants from those branches instead of throwing them? Well, this video is exactly on that idea. The idea is to grow bougainvillea from softwood cuttings like this. Many people may not know that we can easily grow bougainvillea plants from softwood cutting like this. Here you can see me collecting few softwood cuttings. It was fresh growth that we usually see in spring. For better result, please try to do this method when bougainvillea plants are in growing stage. Success rate is not going to be high if we do at wrong time, means either in fall or in winter. For the medium, using sand. Next, pre-wetting the sand. Making few holes which are around 1.5 inches deep. Using number 2 rooting hormone powder. This can be used either for softwood cutting or for semi-hardwood cutting. You also don't have to use the exact brand and feel free to use any other brand. Or instead of rooting hormone powder, we can also use aloe vera gel. Simply dip the cutting in water and then rub the rooting hormone powder. After that, insert at least 1.5 to 2 inches inside the sand. Since my daughter can do it, I don't think that you are going to get any trouble at all.
Sir.
Yeah.
Broccoli.
Orang. Press the sand gently to support the stems. Next, keep the pot only under indirect sunlight and water only when the sand is dry. Let's take a look at the updates. This method may take more time comparing to other methods, and all may not be successful. As you can see, 2 cuttings did not make it and they already got rotten. Others are looking fine, and let's wait for the more updates. This is the result after 65 days. 3 are looking good out of those 6 cuttings. 50% success rate. Not too bad considering we can plant many cuttings just after pruning. Sand actually doesn't contain any nutrients, and so far I haven't applied anything. That's why the leaves are getting smaller and looking light green. The roots are already coming out through the drainage holes. Let's take a closer look. Alright, all cuttings have produced roots really well. You also don't have to wait for many days. You can transplant them as soon as you see that they are starting to grow new leaves. Means wait for some more days, like 10 to 15 days, once your cuttings reach this stage. Like bougainvillea plants, we can grow adenium from cuttings too, but procedure is bit different. In case you are interested in knowing more, please do check out the next video. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching, truly appreciate it, have a great time and enjoy.